I bought a trashed R1. The fairings are off of her now, so she looks better. Fairings are over there. You could see the bike came spray painted. It was completely trashed. Right here we got our stator. Most cars have alternators. These bikes have stators. This is kind of what conducts the electricity. Well, this is leaking. So we got the stator leaking. The fork seals. Always check your fork seals, guys. Leaking. Right here, there's a mount where the gas tank is supposed to go. And that wasn't even on here. When I test rode the bike, the whole gas tank was kind of wobbling. Right here, we got the shifter. Shifter's a little crooked, as you can see there. These exhausts, there's a leak in the seal, so it doesn't sound the best right now. The clutch seal in here is leaking, and the clutch cover is leaking. So we're gonna have to replace those seals. Other than that, I mean, she's pretty good, right? She needs a new lock set too. All these locks looking a little questionable. The back fairing didn't even have a lock. Looks like it was punched in or something. So, we got the gas tank over here too. Like I said, trashed. And these headers are for the Gixxer. This one's for a different video. This is my crashed R1. Stay tuned.